Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. I just wanted to talk to you a little, see, you can see that. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our Fast Launch PPC service, which is ideal for agencies that work in some of the most common Google Ads niches. So you can see under Fast Launch PPCs, under our top PPC niches, we've got a list here of the fast launch niches that we work in, recommended minimum budgets, approximate cost range per lead, how many leads to expect per month in that space, and then we've got a list of potential future niches that we may choose to work in. And we're always adding niches and occasionally dropping one off of here. But I want to talk to you about this and how that service is structured. You can actually order that service right on our website under the Fast Launch PPC lead niche, Fast Launch PPC lead gen services or niches here. And I want to tell you about what's included in that white label Google Ads service for you. So Fast Launch is a white label service that we provide, basically a turnkey solution. Turnkey solution meaning, turn it on and it goes. You don't have to do anything. So you come to this page and you can actually place an order here. I'll walk you through that a bit later. But here you see on the page, I wanted to show you what's included and what's not included. So we're going to build this out in your clients, Google's ad campaign, which we're going to access preferably through your MCC. If you don't have an MCC, Google how to create a Google Ads MCC. Create one, add your client to your MCC. We'll access your MCC to get access to the client after payment, after we get the intake form. So what we do is we build out the campaign in the client's Google Ads account. Of course, they have their credit card in there to pay the ad spend. And then we're going to build a high-quality unbound landing page. It's kind of what I call a custom template. We're going to use a template, but we customize it to the client, to their brand, to their logo, things of that nature. And we'll also set up call tracking and lead tracking with what converts, similar to CallRail, but better. And it's you'll have access to what converts. You can log in. The client can log in. They won't see our name anywhere. You can look at the calls. You can grade the calls. You can apply revenue to the calls. You can listen to the calls in the case that we record them. We also get a real-time Google Data Studio dashboard, and you'll get an automated what converts lead generation report every month that comes out to you, and it does not have our name on once again. So they're going to know they can look at the dashboard at any time. They can look in their Google Ads account. They'll receive the monthly report. Every week we do a high-level lead review, make sure we're hitting the target cost per lead, spend the budget, things like that. We optimize the campaign. We'll look at the landing page, whatever the appropriate thing is at the time, depending on the amount of data and the age of the account. And then we will invite you into our Slack so that we can have communication there with our account management team. They're fantastic. They're really friendly and will take care of you. Not a problem at all. And so that's what's included. It's not a custom solution. It's not one where we'll go to the client's website or we'll set up tracking on their website or we'll use your landing page or we'll use your CallRail. No, this is all going to happen in our systems, and it's a turnkey. You hand it over, and it goes from there. So all you have to do is purchase the service on this page, submit your credit card information. You'll be sent to an intake form. That intake form will go right into our project management tool. As soon as we get that information, we'll request access to the Google Ads campaign. So once you've paid for the campaign, we have the intake form and we have access to the Google Ads account. Boom, we'll start working. It usually takes 4 to 6 business days max to build out the campaign and launch it. So here's what's not included. We're not going to use your website, your client's website, your call tracking. We're not going to use an existing Google Ads campaign, no matter who built it or how long it's been there. We don't typically do client-facing calls. We're not going to customize a landing page so that it looks exactly like your website or whatever. We have high-performing landing pages. We know how to build them. Our entire system is set up around building out the responsive ads and landing pages. We're not going to do custom integrations. This is a a package of services that you order. Obviously, we're not going to pay the monthly ad spend. So all you really have to do is come down here, place the order, boom. The first month is $7.49. Our pricing is completely transparent at all times on everything. The only time that maybe there's a question is if you have a custom campaign, and that's something that we can address in a different solution. That's not part of our fast launch, but we do offer custom solutions. We offer hours and buckets. We offer a one-time campaign build. We offer landing pages build. I'll get to them in a different video. But this is our white label Google Ads fast launch PPC lead generation offering. And there you go. If you have any questions for it, drop them in the comments below. Reach out to Mark at Inbound Revenue, and look forward to seeing you guys on this channel again soon. Take care.